Okay, so hello, I am here with Donna. She's the homeowner that we are working on her home with here, and I just wanted to capture some of her story here so that you all can understand the people that we are helping and why there's still a need, even though it's been months. So Donna, when did this all happen to you?
I believe it was August 29th. It was the same anniversary as Katrina.
Oh, okay. And
But
now
different year. Where
Right.
New Orleans was destroyed.
Right.
But now we were destroyed.
Right, right. And now it's January,
Mm-hmm.
and you're just now getting some help.
Yeah.
So
Because of the Good Samaritans. Matter of fact, I was going down the road and I seen the Good Samaritan truck.
Mm-hmm.
And they was all cutting up trees and stuff. And so I turned around and I talked with somebody there.
Okay.
And so she's like, I said, can y'all help me?
Mm-hmm.
And she said, yeah. And I said, how much is it going to cost? She said, nothing, which is a great blessing to me because I have nothing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what? I need to wear my mask just in
Oh.
case. Sorry.
That's okay.
Just to be safe. I know we're outside,
Right.
but I don't want people watching this to be like, "Oh, you're gonna get COVID."
Yeah,
from her and
you've
stuff,
been.
you know?
She's been having her mask on.
Yeah,
she
I
just took it off.
just to introduce myself.
Right.
So, okay. So you saw the Samaritan's Purse truck out somewhere.
It was just like 2 miles up the road, and I turned
Okay.
around and got the information.
Okay. Otherwise, you would never know.
I
about
would have
it.
never known it. I would have never known about y'all.
That's what I'm hoping I can do with this video and my YouTube channel is tell people about it. So
It was because of him.
well, yeah, that too.
He put me there and seen that, and I turned around.
Right.
Because he knew I needed the help severely.
Yeah, yeah.
This tree behind me is what fell down on top of me.
So let me show a little bit here of what we're talking about. That tarp is covering up what is now an open roof. So what about insurance? A lot of people think, oh, insurance covers it, so don't worry about those people.
No, not everything.
It doesn't cover everything.
It doesn't cover everything.
So what does it cover?
The insurance is covering personal property.
But not the building itself, not rebuilding.
Not this one.
Oh, because it's not
Because yeah, it's not the dwelling.
Mm-hmm.
Because this was an apartment.
Oh.
Now the dwelling, they're gonna take care of.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Okay.
but like this right here,
Mm-hmm.
nothing.
Okay. And then the mold that you got going
Oh
on
my God,
inside,
the
are
mold
they
is-
going to take care of that?
No,
No. That's why we're
it
here.
has to. If I have to do it, it's gonna come out of my personal property money,
Mm-hmm.
which I haven't gotten any of that yet.
Oh, yeah. And that's the other thing is it takes a long time.
It does. It takes
And
a
you
long.
can't live in your home in the
I
meanwhile.
can't.
Right. So we're going to try to make it where it's at least semi-livable for you.
Thank you.
So, well, thank you for sharing your story, and thank you for you all that have watched this video, and I hope that you will pass this video along to others, and I hope that you will come out and help at least for a day. If you live in the Louisiana area or anywhere nearby, come for a day or a week or a month if you can, and help out these people because, it could be you one day.
I'm about to cry.
Well, thank you so much, Donna, for sharing, and we'll see you in the next video, everyone.